Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Nail Shack, or DIY Nail Shack. And do you like my nails? Has little strawberries on it, even my thumb. Cute, huh? I'll show you how I got this look with what's in here. This is sent to me free for review, so I don't get to set a profile. She sends what she sends. Now you get to set a profile. It costs $13.95 a month. If you prepay ahead of time, the price of this little thing goes down. And you do get, like I said, you do get to set a profile on if you want patterns or sparkles or holiday or what colors you like. And they're custom curated just for you. But mine isn't, because it's sent to me free for review, so I can show you what they're all about. So let's get cracking. Let's see what she sent me for April. So when you open it, all these little things are going to come out. Let's see, did I get everything? So she includes a little cuticle pusher. This is good for pushing your cuticles back and to smooth the sticker down, especially around the edges. And she also includes a little nail file. Isn't that cute? Little star. It's double-sided. One is coarse and one is fine. And then inside, you have 4 weeks worth. 4 weeks, a month worth of nail stickers. So the first one we have is it's like a pink glitter. I love that. I'm really getting into glitter polish and stuff now. So I'm very happy with that. The next one is really cute. It's just like a multicolor speck. And then we have, here's an example of like what you would get for Easter. Little bunny rabbits. That's very cute. Very cute. And then this one, which is the one that I took advantage of, is like little strawberries. And if you notice, I didn't put them on all of my nails. You don't have to. What I did is I used them as nail art to really, just get a little design going on. I've got 2 nails with the stickers and the rest is polish. And I am going to insert a video right now to show you how to do it. Well, that is how easy it is. Anybody can do this. She also sends directions on how to do it. Don't be intimidated. Very easy. Well, I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.